Hello guys, today I will be showing you the new spider crawler. But first, I gotta do my job.
I'm invisible.
And I am
Jayden's world.
Hello guys, before I start the video, I'd like to give a few shout outs to Bill Carson. Bill Carson says so and Milwaukee, the gamer. He just hit 21 subscribers.
I don't care.
Why you little? Now let's get on to this set. So hey guys, we have this spider crawler here, and it took me about 20 minutes to build. You know, it's a nice little build. And the first feature is that the legs move like up and down, side to side, whatever this is. Like, you know, I always say that. These legs move too, and the little short stubby ones too. I don't know why he has little short stubby legs. Maybe it's for the little feature you guys will see later. The second one, I need an opponent here, is that these little blasters. Oh man, I didn't get him. Yo, you got away this time, Doc. And we have these little details right here. You see how there's spider webs everywhere? And this one's actually clear, and it just goes through the red, and I thought that was really cool. So, and one of my favorite feature is this. Can you believe it? It's the mini spider crawler, the one from last year. Oh my gosh, I put this in wrong. That is awesome. Everything is awesome. But this is Spider Girl, but we'll mention her in a little bit. You don't get the secret right now. Okay, what is the spider crawler? The end of the spider crawler. And this is how the motorcycle looks without the spiders. I actually just noticed right now it has headlights. Silly me, I just built it like one. And it has 2 engines, so I can imagine how fast this is. And this is Spider Girl. She has a little ponytail, and she has like a black little suit here with some white here in the middle, as you can see. And her spider logo is different than a bunch of other ones. Well, that's done for her. And this is Spider-Man. Wait, what? Who put some red on Spider-Man? Okay, there's Spider-Man. You might know him already. He's in a million other sets. Like, I can name a bunch right now, but I won't do it because you guys are going to be bored as, like, so much. I don't know. Okay, so you can see he has his normal little spider suit here. He has some printing on the back. They're like little spider webs. And I just noticed some of them don't have leg printing on the sets. What is wrong with you, LEGO? So you're gonna charge me a $20 set so I can have leg printing on a little LEGO? Now we have Doc Ock. I just took off my stairs. Sorry, Doc. I'm really gonna get a haircut today. He has little legs, like these little octo legs, I will call them. I like to call it that. That's kind of cute. And then he has a green suit with some yellow gloves. These aren't ordinary minifigure hands. No, they're not. These aren't normal. They're different colors. And then you see he has this little chain in the back, or this little metal thing here. And then you're probably wondering, what is that? And it connects to this, his little arms here. And they have printing on the back too. Okay, so that's what it looks like from the back. You can see he has stickers. And here's what he looks like without it. Oh, sorry, Doc Ock. I didn't notice you were there. Because you haven't been used since 2002. That franchise. Okay, this is his back printing. You see, they're his little octo things, but they're not being used. I wonder what he's using them for. Oh, and by the way, he has a double face. So does that mean Doc Ock was secretly another man? Was he hiding two different secrets at the same time? What am I talking about anymore? Find out next episode of Jayden's World. Help me, spider sense! Oh, it's me! Help! Hey guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my video. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot. YouTube took away comments! Why, YouTube? This is you, YouTube.